So examples of linear span. Let A and B are two subsets of vector space V, then prove that first point, L of span of A division B will be subset of L of A intersection L of B, about the intersection. First point. Second point, about the union, L of A union B is equals to L of A plus L of B. Span, on the span. Solution. So two sets are A and B are the two sets, subset actually, subsets of vector space V. And then verify these 2 points about the intersection A division B. So we have always in mathematics A division B will be subset of A also, and it is a subset of B also, common portion. Okay. A set, B set. So this will be intersection, common to A, common to B also. So this will be subset of A also and subset of B also. Okay. Therefore, and then by theorem, if A subset of B, then its L span is also subset. Also for second, its span is also subset. Yesterday, previous theorem. So this subset, therefore their another intersection. So their intersection also subset. Same intersection, same set. Right side, L of A intersection L of B. So taking intersection both sides. So this proved is the first point. Yeah. Now second point. B point. So B about the union. Now what is we know in the union? Union means combination of A and combination of B. Okay. Both combination. So we have what we have here. Question: A will be subset of union. A will be subset of their union. B will be subset of their union. Yes. So A and B are, because union is bigger. So A subset of union, B subset of union. Therefore, by theorem, subset their span L of A will be subset of L of A union B. Similarly, second, L of B will be subset of L of union. So by the theorem. Okay. Now I want there, I think plus this. So L of A plus L of B will be subset of this plus this, same. In the set A plus A, only A sets. Plus means addition of both set elements. The same set is same elements. Okay. So this one part, this subset of this. Now show second part. We have to show. We have to show L of A union B will be subset of L of A plus L of B. Is the subset. Subset, you know technique. Take one element. V suppose the one element of span of A union B, and try to show V will be subset of right side. So V subset of span. Span means what? Linear combination. So V is a linear combination of element of A, okay, as well as B, element of B, element of A and element of B. So this V will be expressed as linear combination of element of A. Suppose say alpha 1 u1, alpha 2 u2, in this way, or if I am un element of A, element of B also, suppose say beta I use for second, so beta 1 W1, beta 2 W2, in this way beta n Wn. Now we can write here, okay? So alphas are scalar, betas are scalar, ui is coming from set A, wi is coming from set B. Okay, so up to this element of u A, up to this element of B. So what is this? Is linear combination of element of A. It is a linear combination of element of A. Second is a linear combination of element of B. Therefore, what is belongs to span L of A. Linear combination span means linear combination. So it is the element of L of A, first element, and it is the second element of L of B. So if these element of this and these element of this is what? Subset L of A union B. Will be subset of L of A and L of B. Okay, so this is subset, this subset, both subset is equals to, so from 2 and 3, okay, L of A plus L of B will be equals to L of A union B. So this will be a second point. So first about the intersection and second about the union. Next example of it, now span example. Let U and W be subspaces of vector space V, where these two sets are U set x1, x2, x3, three-dimensional element of V3, such that restriction x1 plus x2 is x3, addition of first two will be third, and W is a set, okay, x1, x2, x3 elements of V3, but condition is a equal, x1 equals to x2 equals to x3, all three elements are equal. Now question is, show that this V3 three-dimensional vector space is the direct sum of U and W. So question about the direct sum. Direct sum yesterday we define. So solution. So given to you, U and W are two subspaces of vector space V, and U is defined by x1, x2, x3, three-dimensional set element of V3, such that x1 plus x2 is x3, addition of first two will be third element, and W x1, x2, x3 element again from V3 three-dimensional, such that equal x1 equals to x2 equals to x3. So obviously, so this U will be subset of V3 three-dimensional element vectors coming from V3. W will be subset of V3. Okay. Therefore, U plus W will be subset of V3. Yes. So first point subset, only verify second point. Now to show this V3 will be subset of U plus W. If you show, then first point clear of direct sum. Subset, same technique, take one element. Suppose say I take x, y, z x, y, z is one element of V3, 3-dimensional, and show this element of u plus w. This what? First element of u and second element of w must be. Suppose this x1, x2, x3 is a first element of u. What is the value element of u? Okay. x1, x2, but x3 is a x1 plus x2. So such a way I take this like elements, element of u. Third element is a addition of first two, and second element is a what? All three elements are equal. So y1, y1 and y1 equal. We cannot take x, already we take x's. So we use now y symbol. So we try to solve. Okay. So sum first of all, x1 plus y1 addition x2 plus y1 and x1 plus x2 plus y1. So it's like your element. Now compare. So x equals to x1 plus y1, y equals to x2 plus y1, and z equals to x1 plus x2 plus y1. So these three equations we have. Solve now this. Okay. x2 plus y1. So x2 plus y1 is what? Y. Therefore x1 value will be z minus y. I have to solve for x1 and y1. We assume x1, y1 and x1, x2 and y1. Okay, please. Also, this z is expressed as x1 plus y1. x1 plus y1 in a one bracket and x2 outside. So x1 plus y1 is a x. Therefore, from this x2 we get z minus x. So x1 z minus y, x2 z minus x. Now I want y1. So for y1, okay, from this y1. So what is y1? X minus x1. X minus x1. So x minus x1 we know that is a z minus y. So this becomes x minus z plus y. That is it. Okay, so this will be simplified. So therefore, every x, y, z is expressed as, I assume x1. x1 means z minus y. x2 means z minus x. And what is it? x1 plus x2 addition. There addition x1 plus x2. So z plus z is z minus x and minus y. Okay. Third, second elements are y1, y1, y1. So it's like x plus y minus z, x plus y minus z, x plus y minus z. Okay. So this element of u, therefore this your x, y, z is element belongs to, because first element coming from u and second element coming from w is 0. Okay. So if you take this element of V3 is element of this subset, therefore V3 will be subset of u plus w. Second one. So first by direct u subset of V3, w subset of V3. So this will be subset of V3. So come 2 and 3. Okay. So V3 will be expressed as sum, ordinary sum. So V3 is a ordinary sum. Now I want to show second direct sum. Direct sum. Okay. Second point what is it? Now we have to show their intersection is 0. Their intersection is 0. Second point. Then suppose say let one element belongs to there. Suppose say x, y, z same is element of intersection and finally show in 0. Okay. So element of intersection is this x, y, z will be element of u. Element of u, then you know u condition. What is the condition? Addition of first two x plus y will be z. Similarly, this element of also W, element of intersection is by W condition what? X equal to Y equal to Z, all three elements are equal. Use here X plus Y, Y means X, Z means X. Okay, so one X cancel, that means X equal to 0. If X equal to 0, then Y will be 0 and Z will be 0, all three are equal. Okay, so this your vector X by Z is now 0, 0, 0. 0 vector. That means their intersection contains only 0 vector. Okay, so both the point here, ordinary sum and this function 0. Okay, therefore by the definition. Okay, so this V3 is a direct sum. So direct sum, ordinary sum, and this extra condition. That you can say direct sum. Then one theorem about this direct sum. Let U and W be two subspaces of vector space V, and also given to you Z is a ordinary sum is also given to you. Then prove that is important. So this Z is a ordinary direct sum. Ordinary sum given to you. I want it dash extra condition Z is if and only if small z equals to U plus W is uniquely expressed as for Z belongs to Z, U belongs to U, and W belongs to W. So uniqueness, this proof of uniqueness, uniquely expressed as only Z equals to U plus W, only U and W. There is no another elements. So that is like express. So two parts. So let U and W be two subspaces of vector space V, and also given to you Z is a ordinary sum. Z is a ordinary sum of U and W, and then 2. So again two parts, first part and second part. So first part, okay, this suppose given to you, given that this Z is a direct sum. So direct sum is 2 point. Z is a ordinary sum, वो तो given ही है, and second is a their intersection will be 0. Their intersection will be 0. Now we have to show uniqueness, uniquely expressed as. Okay, so we uniqueness assume 2. Okay, suppose that 2-way express. Suppose that Z is expressed as U plus W, U coming from U, W coming from W, and suppose Z is expressed as other way means U1 plus W1. Suppose U1 coming from U and W1 coming from W as definition of sum. Now Z equal to Z equal to, so left side same, right side same. So U plus W equals to U1 plus W. Now this is same as U minus U1 one side and W1 minus W other side. Now as we have U and U1 element of U, therefore U minus U1 also element of U. Yes, U is a subspace. Similarly W W and W1 is element of W. Therefore, W1 minus W is element of W. But both are equal. Both are equal. So this element of U, but this equal to this, and this element of W. Okay. Therefore, U minus U1 equal to W1 minus W. So therefore, U minus U1 is also element of W. Therefore, U minus U1 or W1 minus W will be element of their intersection. Element of U, but this equal to this element of W, and vice versa. But it is 0. But this intersection contains only 0 vector. Therefore, this will be 0. So U minus U1 and W1 minus W will be equals to 0. Means 0. U equals to U1 from this, and from this W equals to W. Okay, so we express two way, this way and this way. But U1 nothing but a U say, and this one is uniquely expressed. And that we express two ways. So Z equals to U plus W is uniquely expressed for every element. Z belongs to Z, U element of U, and W element of W. So this is for uniqueness. Now second part, conversely. Now this is given to you. So given that Z is U plus W is uniquely expressed. On the elements. Now I have to show direct sum. We show Z is a direct sum. But already given to you, Z is a ordinary sum is already given to you. So only verify second point. Okay. Now we show only their intersection contains only 0 vector. Suppose contains non-zero vector. Let V is a one vector belongs to their intersection. 0 show करना है, ऐसे करते non-zero. So V. So therefore V will be element of U, and V will be element of W also. So V will be element of U, then V will be expressed as V plus 0. Okay, V coming from U and 0 coming from W. Also, this V will be expressed as V element of W is 0 plus V, 0 coming from U and V coming from W. So this two-way express. But just we show given to you uniquely expressed as. Okay, so every vector, every element will be uniquely expressed as one, which is contradiction. Contradiction to the hypothesis. Therefore, okay, so this V is element of this. Okay, impossible. That is V must be 0, or their intersection must contains only 0 vector. Cannot be non-zero vector. Okay. So both the point here. So ordinary sum and with 0. Therefore, by definition, is a direct sum. So Z is a direct sum. Okay. So this is end of chapter 1. 2 chapters. In the first unit, there will be 2 chapters.